First of all, press Create Point button. Press First button. You can add your image or video footage to 3D map. You can adjust it in Layer Properties. Also, you can create square size empty composition and edit it. Terrain Builder script contain big 2D library of icons, and you can fast add them on the map. For this tutorial, we select Call Out Text and adjust it. You can edit sprite position in Layer Effects by horizontal and vertical align. Also, you can switch to 3D point object. Just click 3D/2D switch button. You will see temp 3D object. Remember name of point. We will change P2 point. Open Special Effect in Element Layer. Find Model 2 Temp Layer and replace them by Model from our 3D library. Now you must select Channel 2 in a UX animation system. You can adjust and animate it as any other type of points. Thanks for watching.